You know you need a business checking account, but do you know about business savings accounts? If you're new here, my name is Sean, and my channel is all about taking you on my journey to financial freedom and helping you do the same. I'm an entrepreneur, and we talk about all things making, budgeting, saving, and managing money. This video is sponsored by Relay, and I'm going to tell you about their business savings account. A business savings account is a bank account that you can use to save earnings for future business uses. You can quickly and easily access money from your savings account when you need it. The purpose of having a business savings account is very similar to why you would have a personal savings account. As your business grows, you use your business savings account to save for unexpected expenses and for things like saving for taxes and planning for large purchases. Depending on the savings account, you can earn interest and your money will grow while it sits. Now, this won't be a large amount of money, but every little bit helps. Relay is a no-fee online business banking and money management platform designed to help small businesses take control of their cash flow. Relay is a financial technology company, not an FDIC-insured bank. Their banking services and FDIC insurance is provided by Evolve Bank and Trust and Thread Bank. With Relay, you can organize income and expenses and reserves using 20 separate individual bank accounts. You can issue up to 50 physical or virtual Visa debit cards. You can send and receive ACH transfers and wires, and checks are coming soon. You can withdraw cash at all Allpoint ATMs. You can collect payments from tools like Stripe, Square, and Shopify. You can use auto transfer rules to move cash between accounts automatically. You can also give team members and financial advisors secure role-based access to your bank accounts. You get personalized customer support by email and phone. Each Relay account is FDIC insured up to $250,000 and covered by the Visa Zero Liability Protection Policy. And you guessed it, Relay also has business savings accounts. Their goal is to give business owners the tools that they need to more smartly create and build up cash reserves. Cash is the lifeblood of your business, so having a strong cash reserve will make your business more resilient. As a business owner, you might find it hard to save within your business. The Relay savings accounts are designed to help you put every dollar to use. Relay's business savings accounts have no monthly fees and no minimum balances. You earn interest, and that interest is paid out monthly at the end of each month. You can create up to 2 savings accounts for your business. Just like with their 20 checking accounts, you create those accounts yourself using the Relay website or the mobile app. The amount of cash you have collectively in your 2 savings account will determine your interest rates. You earn between 1% and 3% APY, which is annual percentage yield, on the balances kept in your savings accounts. So just to be clear, if you create 2 savings accounts, then Relay will add up the balance in both of those accounts and use that total to determine your interest rate. And for more clarity, the interest rate is dependent on the balance you have in your savings accounts at the end of every day. Interest rates do change, but at the time of this recording, the interest rate bands are 1% for balances under $50K, 1.5% for balances between $50K and $250K, 2% for balances between $250K and $1 million, and 3% for balances over $1 million. Relay wants to make it easy for you to start saving in your business. To do this, they tied together the functionality of interest-bearing accounts and auto transfer rules. Their auto transfer rules move excess cash out of your operating accounts and into your savings accounts. This is ideal if you are new to saving and you're looking to start saving or save more consistently in your business. Transfer rules can act as a force mechanism to seek out idle cash and move it out of operating and into savings to create more breathing room between in and outflows over time. You can use the auto transfer rules to set a maximum balance in one or more of your checking accounts, and every time you reach that maximum, Relay will transfer the access automatically into your savings account and you'll earn interest on that money. If you use the Profit First methodology, the savings accounts are perfect for the profit and tax reserve because the cash kept in these accounts typically don't move frequently. If you're not familiar with Profit First, I recommend you watch the video I have linked above me in the cards to learn how you can prioritize profit in your business. Relay not only automates the growth of savings and interest earning, but they provide protection to savings in two ways. They have transaction barriers that prevent savings from being used for operating expenses. For example, you can't get a debit card for your savings account, and you can't make payments from your savings account. To use the money from your savings, you have to move it into one of your Relay checking accounts. Relay also has increased FDIC insurance through Thread Bank's Sweep program that offers deposit insurance up to $2.5 million per business. Relay's top priority is keeping their customers' money safe. The Sweep program increases FDIC insurance for Relay customers, adding an extra layer of protection. Now that we know all about Relay savings accounts, let's look at a demo. I'll show you how to create them, move money between your checking accounts and your savings accounts. We'll also do a quick auto transfer rule. Here we're logged into a demo account, and I'm going to show you some features. So let's go to the Accounts tab. And here you can see that I have my demo account set up using the Profit First method. So you can see that I have a income account, an owners to pay account, a operating expenses account, profit, and taxes. And then I have some other miscellaneous accounts like an ad spend account. Setting up one of your two available savings accounts is really easy. It works just like setting up a checking account. You'll hit add account, and then you can go in and put in a savings account name. And you'll select whether you're doing a checking account or a savings account. In this demo account, you can see that my option for adding a savings account is grayed out, and that's only because I've already set up two savings accounts, so there are no more accounts available. But when you're ready to create your accounts, you'll choose this option. You'll select which team members you want to have access, and then just hit create account. Now let's look deeper into one of our savings account. We're going to go to the profit account because it is set up as a savings account, and you can see the interest right here. If we hover over this I, you can see which interest rate tier we're falling on, and we are on the tier for 1% because our balance is under $50,000. If we click on the Details tab, we can see our account details, like our account number and routing number, and we also see the features of the savings account. And these are those features that we talked about earlier. Things like you can't move from your savings to an external bank account, or you can't send payments, or there's no debit card. Just the features that make the savings account an actual savings account. Now let's look at how we would move money out of our savings account. So we're going to go move money and then transfer money. And then we're going to choose one of our checking accounts. So let's go with income. And then we're going to select the savings account, and we are in our profit account. We were entering our amount. So let's say we're going to move $100. And then our transfer frequency is one time. And then we have a date, and we're just going to select move money. And then we get our confirmation details. We've successfully transferred money out of our savings account, but let's get money in. Let's look at an auto transfer rule. So let's say you practice Profit First and you want to set up a new Profit First allocation. So you would give it a nickname and then you would choose your frequency. So let's say we're going to transfer monthly on the 1st and the 15th. And then we decide how much we want to keep in this account. So let's say we keep $10,000, or maybe let's go a little bit lower, $100 in the account, and then it will go in our income account. And then we would decide on our allocations for our other accounts. So let's say we're going to keep 50% in operating expenses, 30% in owner's pay, 15% in profit, and then 5% in taxes. So we've set up our auto transfer allocations. One thing I want to point out here is that when you're setting up your auto transfer rules, you cannot use one of your savings accounts as your funding account. You can see here in this drop down that we only have a listing for our checking accounts. You do not see the profit account here. But then once you set up your transfer rules, you can move money into your savings account. So you can see my profit account and my tax account are listed as accounts I can transfer into. And this is by design to protect your savings and your cash reserves. So that is the end of the demo. I've showed you how to create a savings account, how to move money out of your savings account, and how to move money into your savings accounts using an auto transfer rule. If you want to know more about Relay's business checking accounts, you can watch this video right here.